little bit excited today because we're finally getting the car wrapped. We've had it for a couple of weeks. It's already started working. It's out there doing its job, but it doesn't look the part. So we've come down to Exclusive Wraps. These guys are responsible for all my sign writing, my wrap. We've got Jeff, Justin and the boys hooking into it today, and should look good. It's going to be a long day. I was going to stick around, but I'd see how I feel. Normally on our wrap we have just some random decals, Castrol, Bosch, Recaro, but instead of doing that this time, we've actually tried to bring on board some local businesses. Exclusive Wraps have come on board. They're putting their branding on our car. We've done that with 3 other local businesses: Fuel Asset Finance, the Coffee Nook, my local coffee haunt, and Clean Your Pride, which is a detailing business that has been following me, and I've been following them on Instagram for quite a while now. So these businesses are coming together and we're going to showcase each other and put them on the car. So it's just community spirit and supporting each other, I guess, which will be great. I'm really looking forward to it. Been a long hot day in Brisbane. We've been given the call, we've come down, and in one day they've managed to get the car completely wrapped. It looks bloody fantastic. I'm tickled pink with it. Always love it when we transform something, and the colours on this car, the yellow makes it pop, turns an ordinary looking car into something that I think looks pretty damn cool and that the students hopefully love driving. So yeah, thanks to everyone here at Exclusive Wraps today. Big job, one day, fantastic, and it's always high quality work, and I'm very happy.